The second quarter score is 38-37. Again, pasok na po yung mga napili ng ating mga committee sa ating half-court shooting. We need 12 half-court shooters. Chinelas mo po. Okay, again, this half-court shooting is sponsored by Wheeljack Construction and Services with a pot money of 4,000 pesos. Again, 4,000 pesos. At kung sino mang makakakuha, aba, may pang isang sakong bigas plus pang ulam. Short for the medyo kulang, sayang. Short. Again, a shout out kay Mr. Christian Monasterial on the baseline. And then, advance happy birthday kay Francisco de la Torre. Cut off na po ha, di na po maglog. Last na po kano, last na po. It's short. Again, this half-court shooting is sponsored by Wheeljack Construction in Services. And a shout out, a big shout out kay Ma'am Ja Bingusta and kay Kagawad Jerome Musatalia Quator o Barangay Tagpo. Basket! Kaswerte ng mga taga-tula-tula, almost nakatulo na singra. Nakatulo na pong